Ah, you are in London. I thought the London UK. You know, my cousin is there. Eh? Oh, I see. Don't worry. Don't worry. I know you are here, Tony Banks. I will. So how many now? Seven. We have three. Don't worry. There. Earlier. Yes. Oh, Ike CHG. See Ike. Here we go. Ike, you win. See Ike, congratulations. Ike is here. You must be kidding me. Earlier, Ike. Winner. Ike. Present. Congratulations. Congrats. Can you imagine you win? Yay! So I can go super chat or I am a member with I member man ko nimo no? Di ba member ko nimo? Yes, I know. You member no? Member ko nimo, member ko. Member ko. With a 2, 4, 5. Two more. I'm here. Di ba member ko nimo? You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes. So I will ako ning ilabay nimo ang kuan super chat. Ini adto na ko ha. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. So we have how many? Eight. We have two more. Ah, congratulations, Sony Banks, I, CHG, Aidan, Motor. Uh, hey, Rosa Mosendi. Si Rosa Mosendi. Hello. How are you, Rosa? Rosa Mosendi. How are you, Rose? Here, aray. Here. Ano ito? Sabi mo ko mag-StreamYard ka. Oh, oh. 'Di ba mayroon pa tayong tatlo? I-StreamYard ko 'to bukas tapos ano ko 'to, kung maka-ano ako bukas, maka-StreamYard ako. Ito ang ano natin, i-raffles ulit sa StreamYard, okay? How many? 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, here. I'm fine, thanks. Okay. Ah, hala. This one is Rosmar. Rosmar is not here. Yeah, Rosmar is not her Rosmar channel. Sorry, Rosmar. You're not here, so okay. Bye. Wala ka. Okay. Next one. What time StreamYard tomorrow, Ros? Ganito rin mga 7:30. 7:30. 7:30. 7:30 StreamYard na bukas. Pero mag-ano muna ako, mag-ano ka bukas, di ba? Mag-ano ka. Ganito rin 7:30. Okay, there we go. One more. Here. Okay. Thank you. Hala, si Leticia nanalo. Giatay. Wala si Leticia, no? Sana ako mabunot host. Ikaw nga yan. Dala, Leticia. Here, Leticia. Ikaw yun, sana ako mabunot host. Ikaw nga yun, look. You are the winner. Look, Leticia. You're a winner. Hey, Leticia is here? Nothing. You're welcome, Leticia. Welcome. Ah, congratulations. So tomorrow we have four, okay? This four is disqualified. So tomorrow we have another. So we have another. That's perfume clockwise to your channel now. Leticia, for salamat, good host. Salamat mo lang, nakadaog ka. O sige, ibaba ang imuhang kuan. Ibaba ang imuhang kuan. We have four, so tomorrow is we need four winners, okay? Ibaba ang imuhang kuan, B. Ibaba ang imuhang tawag nito. Drop your thing. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Leticia. Thank you, ICC, Rosamendi. Thank you, Rosa. Rosa, I will put you for entry for tomorrow. Okay, Rosa Musendi. Okay, Rosa Musendi. I will put her. Okay, wait a second, ha. Rosa. Okay, Rosa. Thank you, host. Yeah, because you don't deteriorate Rosa. Rosa. Rosa Musendi. Rosa Musendi. Guys, remember guys, ha? This is um please support the link that I think he is the sponsor, okay? He is came from, yeah. Rosa here, the Rosa. Rosa, you have one here, okay? Para malagyan mo ng mid-roll auto ads. Wait, yes, it's here. Oh, look. This is yours. I will throw this one all and we do new one. Okay? Here, empty. This is empty and we need a new one. Okay? See you tomorrow. Take care, Brandy. Yes. See you tomorrow, everyone. And thank you so much. Thank you so much there. Yeah, that's only one. Okay? Tomorrow, another. Okay? Wait. I need to go here. Leticia. Okay, wait a second. Wait. Wait, I will give you now. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Okay? I will give you right away. Si Ike, ato ko sa iya na mag-super chat. Okay? Okay. Remind me later. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Okay. Send. Okay, send express. Yeah, see. Uh, 953. This is 953 446 446 3573. 3573. Okay? There we go. 953 446 3573. Okay? Pet TV. Okay. Gets. We put gets para hindi tayo masiraan ng ano. Done. Here. Okay? RA. Okay? Done sa'yo. Yes, I confirm. Confirm na dahil ha. Tony Banks. Oh, lala. Sis, can I borrow my other phone? Okay. Wait. I need to. Oh, there. Okay. Ato, nangayo o kuan, OTP. Okay, day, dan, day. Look at that one, day. salamat gid host kay na ako pang palit og sudan. O basta magkuan, magkugi lang ugma na pod para kuan. Kadi na pod si Leticia. Si Leticia, at ano si Leticia. Si Leticia na pod send. Di tanaw na si Leticia. 967 967 907 907 907 3877 3877. Jeff's food, Jeff's. There. Next. Okay. Here, look. Ha? Yes. Yeah. Okay. It's done. Mm. Congratulations to the winner. See, very simple, huh? Very simple. This is our life. Oh my goodness. Life is so good. Life is so good. Once that they have people very good, they there po tayo guys. Rosa, hey, Rosa, you have your entry already. Ha? You are the first one entry. So tomorrow we have a StreamYard. So come by everyone if who wants to come. Okay. Okay, and thank you so much everyone, and thank you. Kim to go subscribe to you. Oh, thank you. Na day taga ano na day taga sa inyo yan day. Please mention my name at least they don't get shocked, okay? His came taga dito na. Thank you host. You're welcome. You're welcome. So you are the first one here, okay? Thank you so much everyone. I really appreciate it. I will throw it away the old one and I need a new one because see I put it away the four of them because this is the one we need to do it, okay? Thank you, and have a good night. Okay, bye. Yeah. Yes, yes. Wala pa host. Kasi wala pa host. Bye, Dai. Bye, Brandy. Oh, ako sa umanon, B, 30 minutes na lang. I will finish 30 minutes. So, 20 minutes. Kasi wala pa. Gicheck na ko ang tunibangs. No, it's there already. What? Yes, just, oh, yeah. It's there already. See, dalawang 50-50 oh. Ikaw na. Don't scare me. Okay. Nana diha. Nandiyan na. Ganyan ako. See you soon. Okay, yeah, that's perfume. See you soon. I will see you. Okay, just wait a second because I will write it. That's 3K. Dito second, Rosa. Hey, hello ma'am. Hoy, Kulotisang. How are you, Kulotisang? Kulotisang. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan mong Kulotisang. Oh my God. Add moderator. Okay, Kulotisang. Oh, tingnan mo ng Kulotisang. Hello po ate. Oh, yun, nilagyan na kita ang hello ma'am. Kulotisang. See tomorrow all. Yes, see. Kulotisang, I give you moderator already, okay? Yeah, Kulotisang. Si Kulotisang, okay. Dalawa na kayo Kulotisang. Lagyan ko ng ano, Kulotisang. Bigyan kita ng first entry for tomorrow kasi this one is only little because we don't take lots of entry because this is hello po. Hello. Musta day? Musta? Thank you po. Yes, thank you, thank you. I will put you first entry for tomorrow because I have kani ito. And also, after this, if who wants to, try to comment after this, I will edit it and comments there, you have an entry, okay? It comments because I will edit this and comments there and you have an entry, okay? Right now, Koloto-san, I'll give you first entry, okay? This is your first entry together with Rosa Mosendi. Kulo Tisang. Okay. Your hair. Kulo Tisang. Okay. Don't forget to like ha, and don't forget to try also to comments and check out my videos because if you check out the videos, you know our uh, guests always, especially me, I'm very good to give. Yeah, here, Kulikusan. Yeah. So always, I'm always giving because giver is a very good example. Yeah, it's very good example. Once that you are very giving person, you're very welcome. Yeah, every time when you do like, oo, matagal na, matagal na. May isa pa nga ako eh. Matagal na yan. Bakit? Hindi ka pa? Ah, wala ka pa? Gra. Come. This is for tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow we have a hindi pa at need ko pa po ng 1,000 po. Oh, really? O sige, ganito. Di ba mayroon, ako, teka, tinahan ko ha. Uh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I want to show you. Magpalit tayo. Tulungan mo ako, ate. Salamat na agad. Hindi pa, ate. Diyos ko pa. Okay. Ito, kung ako ang mag-ano sa'yo, ano ko yung ano ko. Rosa Musendi. Nag-subscribe si ano sa iyo, si hello. Okay. Kita mo yan, Day. Kulot. Kita mo yan, kulot. I-play ko yung ano mo, i-play ko yung playlist mo, i-play mo yung motorbike ko kasi zero pa talaga yan. Yan na, ako yan eh. Ako yan eh. Ginamit ng anak ko. moadto na pud ko. Salamat kayo sa tanan. Okay guys, thank you so much and have a good night. Okay, bye-bye day, bye-bye kulot day. Kuan, magkuan lang ka ng sa tawag ni comments, okay? Iyang motor po, sa akuan na. So, mag-comment ka doon para matulungan ako po sa mga didikit sa akin, iwan ko baka babalikan ko po kami sa mga. Oh, Dai Brandy, see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, Dai, kulot. I-play mo yan. Yung nagmotor ako yan. Oo. I-play mo lang yung playlist niyan para sure, okay? And thank you so much. Okay? Mag-sit ka na. Oo nga pala no, i-sit ko no. O, sige, I will try. Lagyan mo mid-roll. Mid-roll ba? Sige, nice to meet you. Here, Tete Brandy. Okay. I will try. Okay, bye.